I'm here with Blue, and remember, Blue usually wears her hair center parted and curly. So I want to do something different today. I want to part her hair on the side and blow it dry, silky and straight. First, I'm going to use R+Co Surreal Style Serum. I'm going to put it in my hands, and then I start working it through her hair, making sure it's evenly distributed. And I'm going to concentrate putting it on the ends and around the hairline to get all those baby hairs because her hair is highlighted. Using the large tooth side of my comb, I always comb the hair into the direction that I'm going to blow it dry. And I'm blowing the hair dry from root to end. And again, I start at the crown and I work the brush and the blow dryer down the hair, sliding it, following after another, so that I can keep the hair silky and straight. So I take my sections, section by section, roll it around in a circle like I was putting the hair in a roller, which seals the cuticle and keeps it under control. Because remember, the hair is a little damp. And then I take my number 5 boar bristle brush and I work it from root to end. I'm going to work around my head, section by section. Notice how R+Co Bleu Surreal Style Serum has made the hair silky and straight, and it also was the technique of blowing it dry. She can run her fingers through it, and it's a complete different look for Blue. Usually a serum could make the hair dull, but this one adds fullness and keeps the hair silky and soft. Surreal Styling Serum by R+Co Bleu.